What are you making, Rob?
Oh, it's paper sculpture, Dean, sticking bits of paper together, making interesting shapes.
What is it?
Well, actually, it's a very interesting one, because although it's paper sculpture and I've cut it,
Yes.
I haven't actually stuck it.
No glue?
No, it's one piece of paper, but here's the problem. In fact, if you try and see how it was cut, every time you fold it down, it overlaps itself. Somehow, it's been cunningly bent. You're not allowed to pick it up, but you've got to try and cut one the same.
You want me to try and make one? Let me see. Well, there's a piece out there and a piece out of the other side.
Right.
Can I have a piece
Sure,
of paper?
sure. Same size, even.
Same size.
No
okay.
cheating on this problem.
Okay, right. I think I can just start by cutting out two rectangles. I'll go up to the centre.
Right, well, that's going to sitting and look like the base of it.
All right, and we'll slice that piece out and throw it away.
No,
and
don't
then
throw it away.
The same. I didn't want it.
Oh.
It's just folding, isn't it? It's a folding thing. If I come up to here, slice that piece out.
See,
wait a minute. Now, I've got the base, but...
Right. That's where it belonged, with its fellow along there.
Yes.
But you're not allowed to use glue. Throw the whole thing away.
Yes.
Start again.
Start again. Can I just look at this one?
Yeah, sure.
That's the
Overlaps
same...
itself there.
Yes. Now, that's the same length, isn't it? Yeah, wait a minute. I think if I start from one long edge and go through to the centre, then do the same thing up here,
Right.
and if I turn it right over and slice through the middle,
That's
the
looking
centre once
pretty
again, now I have a piece which I can fold up
Terrific.
like
But
so,
all the gaps are
and
there.
it'll stand... Oh, I need to
And all
turn
the
one
solids
side around. Was I close?
You're very close. All you forgot to do, you see it immediately or you don't see it at all, is to turn that one over.
Oh, of course.
That's all it is.
So the cutting was correct, but the folding was wrong.
Simple when you know how. Goodbye.
See you next week.
Curiosity.